Hey, AI optimizers. It is really good to see you again. But I'll have to tell you, the past week and a half, I've heard from a lot of you. And I know you are really concerned about AI. I know you're trying to do what we talked about in terms of optimizing AI, but I'm hearing a lot of your feedback, and you are concerned about your information being pulled up and going to who knows where in the AI platform that you're using. I totally get it. I totally get it. And in the beginning, I felt the same way. So since I kept hearing this feedback over the past week and a half, I just wanted to address it very quickly because I've talked about this all the time. Keep using AI, optimize it for greater productivity. It is a game changer, but it's really up to you to put the guardrails on it. So, regarding your information that you don't want going out into who knows where and being used to train the platform, and somehow it could be used in other people's prompts, you can actually turn that off. That is the cool part. Find the settings in your AI platform. I'm not sure which platform you're using, but if you go into settings, find the privacy or security setting. And if you click once, you may have to click twice, you will find an option where it tells you that you can turn it on or off, where your information is being pulled up and used to improve the model as well as improve the experience for other users. You can turn that off. So, my call to action for you is to bring down the anxiety. And how you do that with AI is go into your settings, your security or privacy settings, and turn that function off. Okay? That's your call to action. Keep using AI, keep being an AI optimizer, and be positive and use AI responsibly. Thank you. See you next time.